Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take a look under my kitchen sink. It was a disaster. I didn't show you everything else that was under there before I cleaned it out. So we're going to change a few things. And we're going to organize it just a little bit. I haven't even found everything that I can to fill up all the little bins and buckets I put under there, but give me time. I'll figure it out. The first thing you need to do is clean out everything out underneath the sink and start to actually clean. So here I was vacuuming and wiping everything down with some cleaner and a cloth. There's Lulu poking her head in, trying to see what's going on. She's so nosy. So I got some shelf liner. I like the non-adhesive kind, and they have a lot of pretty prints now that they didn't have years ago. So typically this is my husband's job, and you'll see here in a minute why it's best if it's my husband's job, because I have to put it in and take it out several times trying to get it to fit correctly. This shelf liner you can get in two different sizes. I got the wider width because I knew that my cabinet's just a little bit deeper than everyone else's. So I got it. You could get the smaller and overlap. So I have a little bit of a gap in the back part of my cabinet, but I didn't really care. We're going to be remodeling soon, so all this is going to probably come out anyway. But I just wanted to show you a little cheaper way to organize under your sink. Looking back now and seeing how much trouble I had out of measuring everything, I should have took a marker or something if I was going to have to be doing this myself, and mark it and then cut it, so I only had to cut it once. But once I started cutting, I was like committed, so I just had to keep going with it. I think when they put these pipes in and things for sinks, they don't think about, you know, the organization part of it at all, and we have such a hard time trying to organize underneath there or making it pretty in any way. There's Lulu poking her head in again. So eventually I start to bring in everything that I'm going to be using underneath there. I found a very small dish pan, is what they call it, at Walmart. I think it was like less than $2. I found another bin at Walmart. Those little white bins are $1 at Walmart. They just started selling them in my area. Now you see me putting in some acrylic type storage containers. They have little drawers in them. You can buy those on Amazon, and they're stackable. And I think they came in a 2-pack. And I'm going to use those for different sponges, stuff like that. Use my bins for like cleaners themselves, spray bottles, different things like that. But you have to put everything in there and make sure it's going to fit and how your setup's going to be before you load everything up. And here you see I've got some glass spray bottles that I got from Amazon. They come in clear and in amber or brown colored glass. I'm going to use one for my vinegar cleaner. It's just vinegar, essential oils, and some water. And I'm going to use the other for my Lysol concentrate. Okay, so scouring pads, we use those a lot around our house. And I usually get a pack and cut those in half to make them last. So that's what I'm doing here, is cutting those in half. Sponges, getting all those ready to go, taking them out of their packaging. I do not cut those in half. You probably could, but I don't. And I had a few magic erasers, so I was going to use that, and we got our dishwasher tabs. So all of those I'm going to be putting in those acrylic bins. see me now trying to put the cleaners back underneath there. And I'm out of Jaws cleaner, so I just want to put that spray bottle under there. That way when I get my refills, I'll have a place for it. Now I'm trying to just figure out where everything's going to go. Okay, now we're back to our acrylic bins. They're perfect for little things like that. And I could label these, but if I can see straight through them, I didn't really see the point in labeling them. Okay, there you go. Completed project. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you next time.